2 News Oklahoma weather.
Well, jumping right into what we've been talking about all morning, the chance for severe weather. Today is going to be a day to stay weather aware. We're going to start off. The Storm Prediction Center right now has us currently all green country in that slight risk, and is even expanded that further towards the west with an enhanced risk further towards the southeast. This is a 3 out of 5 risk for strong to severe storms. Now we're talking wind 60 to 70 miles per hour, some hail, maybe even some golf ball sized hail, and of course the tornado threat is what we're really going to be paying attention with, as highest threat for that tornado potential continues to stay further towards the southeast. Of course, we can't rule out continuing to push further towards the north of our viewing area. Now, as we go throughout this afternoon and evening, right now we're talking tornado as one of our threats right now, the wind, the hail, and also even flood potential. So as we go throughout this next few hours, let's go ahead and track this out. We're currently seeing some light rain across portions of green country. That's going to continue on through this afternoon, but already by 2 o'clock, some storms are starting to develop. Some few thunderstorms as well continues to develop here across north green country. And then this is around 4:30. Most of that really heavy activity starts to develop further towards the south, especially over towards the McAllister area. Now, this is just one model. Some of these are going a little bit extreme with these storms, so we're just kind of going off of the ones that we continue to feel more confident with. This one specifically is showing another round of storms, so we're of course going to continue to track this out. Then this is around 5:30. Again, most of those heavy thunderstorm potentials start to push further towards the southeast, where that enhanced risk is. And then here comes that second line of storms. So we're going to be dealing with some storms here towards the east. Around 6 o'clock is when I anticipate most of those heavy, strong storms really starting to develop. You can really see some of those starting to indicate some hail as well. And then that secondary line continues to push further towards the Tulsa area by around 7:30. That's going to continue to push, even starting to show some more strong indicators of that hail, as well as the chance for even some tornadoes. Of course, this will continue to push further towards the east. And then the latest that I'm anticipating all of this to move out would be around 10 o'clock tonight. Then we will be quiet and calm for your Tuesday. So it's going to be an eventful time. Most of the models, though, however, are continuing to indicate later. We're talking past 3 o'clock. Most of that activity will range between 6 to 7, and then it'll end by 10 o'clock. So dual Doppler right now is showing some of that light rain here in Tulsa. Already seeing some thunderstorms starting to develop further towards the south. So some rain is already starting to flare up here, even out towards the west. Now, right now, live look, this is part of Wade's RV Weather Camera Network. We're seeing some of that light rain right now, even on our BOK tower cam, but sunshine on our Shangri-La Resort at Grand Lake. 70 degrees right now in Tulsa and 76% humidity. We are definitely have favorable for these severe storms. We're starting to see that humidity go up. Temperatures right now are warm. We're in the upper 60s to low 70s. Even dew points are high. Big change compared to what we experienced yesterday with a little bit more of that dry air. Well, for tomorrow, like I mentioned, we're going to stay calm and we're going to stay quiet. Temperatures will then drop in the upper 50s as northerly winds arrives. It's not going to be New Year's, but we're past that one. We will be in the 60s for your Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday we'll keep temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. Corey?